Punching Boxes Lab, your team is up for elimination since Nonexisty is dead till the power of Nonexisty. So, I am hosting in BFSCA, BF, and CFF. Go to the Cake at Stake place to see who will be eliminated. So, today's cake is Mario's profile picture. Punching Box and Golden Green Soda are safe with both 22%. Now it's down to TNT and Pumpkin Crate. Wait, they both got 28%? Time for a tiebreaker. Who will make it more far? This is the tiebreaker challenge. The player with the less far is eliminated. Go. Oh, looks like Pumpkin Crate has more far. So TNT is, dead. So she's eliminated. The next contest is current position.
What is current position?
It's just like we do a race. The last team to finish the contest will be up for elimination. Go.
Wait, again?
Okay, let's go.
The birds at the balloon.
Do we win?
Ouch.
What the pumpkins?
Alright, Rocket's Power is in first place. Zeitgeist Ongoing is in second place. Punching Boxes Lab is in third place. And Crest Maple 2.0 is in last place. So RP, ZO, and PBL is safe. CM 2.0 is UFE. Voters, it's your chance to eliminate a player from Crest Maple 2.0 at the Community tab. See you in BFSCA 19.
No, I miss Nonexisty too. My favorite host. RIP what the f